Hello. I am currently testing some vacuum machines regarding deep cleaning carpets for my robot vacuum testing. We start with the Dyson Gen 5 and the Dyson V8 and have a look at how well they clean and how cleaning heads can impact performance. Let's go. The first carpet for testing has a thick and dense pile with a pile length of about 2 centimeters. I embedded 10 grams of certified test dust into the carpet. It is the same that is mandatory for the IEC testing norms. I am using a new method for embedding, so the results are not comparable to earlier ones. My weight is about 95 kilograms and I am standing a total amount of 10 seconds on the wooden plate. All test runs were done 3 times and I am showing the middle-placed results if needed. Due to the testing method, the test-to-test variance is only about 1 percentage point, so all runs give a very representable performance result. The Dyson V8 was only tested in max mode because I know from earlier tests with less embedded test dust that the eco mode is not sufficient enough to achieve results above 50%. So let's have a look at how the Gen 5 performed. In both the auto and the boost mode, the Gen 5 was able to remove 100% of the embedded dust. Due to the nature of how the auto mode works, it uses a piezoelectronic sensor. The boost mode offers a quicker removal of the dust. The Dyson V8 also performs very well if it is able to utilize a more advanced cleaning head offering a better seal and a better designed brush. It does not clean as fast as the Gen 5 using its cleaning head, but was able to remove 98% of the dust, what is a huge improvement compared to the result using the standard cleaning head it comes with. Please note that the flat lines in the chart are due to the fact that I measured the V8 only after run 1, 2, 3, 10 and 14. For comparison, I also added the first Cinetic Cyclone vacuum of Dyson, the DC-52. Luckily, the vacuum comes with 2 cleaning heads, with the brush-equipped turbine head being advertised as a superior carpet cleaning tool, but we will see that this is not always the case and is highly affected by the carpet, or more exactly the pile density. The test dust pickup using the turbine cleaning head was much lower compared to the standard cleaning head with this type of carpet. Scaling the bin after each of the first 3 runs, I decided to not continue with the testing of this cleaning head. The nylon bristles of the brush are not stiff enough to separate the dense pile to deliver a better cleaning performance compared to the standard cleaning head. Also, it does not make a very good seal against the tested carpet. The stiffness of the nylon bristles has improved over time, as we will discuss later on. The DC-52 performs very well using the standard cleaning head with this type of carpet and delivers a performance comparable to the one of the Gen 5. Sadly, I am not able to test the V8 cleaning head or different older ones with the Gen 5 to see if they impact the performance in a negative way, since Dyson made a connector design change and got rid of a plastic wedge for some reason. I am looking into tear down the heads and modify the connector if possible to make older attachments work with the Gen 5. The result overview combined with the airwatt rating of the units showcases that airwatt is not everything, and good cleaning head design combined with a good brush design is very important for a good cleaning result. More airwatts mostly relates to a quicker cleaning time, but not necessary to a better cleaning result. Regarding the Gen 5 cleaning head, it feels like it makes a bit better seal even compared to the one of the V15 Detect, but I think the main improvement is the higher nylon bristle density resulting in a better pile separation. The bristle density is also higher compared to the V15 Detect cleaning head. In the next video, I am going to test the V15 Detect against the V11 Outsize, also using the Gen 5 cleaning head to see if there are any improvements regarding the cleaning performance. Please consider a subscription if you like and find it helpful what I am doing, since only one cleaning test run is worth €0.7 only for the test dust. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Bye.